Welcome to our countertop cooling showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular ice makers, the EUHOMY countertop ice maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. Both machines boast impressive ice production capabilities, but they come with their own unique features and designs. We'll explore their speed, capacity, and overall usability to help you decide which one fits your needs best. Let's get started. When it comes to speed, the EUHOMY ice maker takes the lead, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Igloo model takes a bit longer, with 8 cylinder-shaped cubes ready in 7 to 8 minutes. If quick ice production is a priority for your gatherings, the EUHOMY is the clear winner. In terms of design, the EUHOMY features a wider profile but includes a convenient handle for easy portability. On the other hand, the Igloo is designed to be more compact, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. If you need to move your ice maker around frequently, the EUHOMY's handle might be beneficial, while the Igloo's slim design is perfect for tight spots. Both ice makers produce up to 26 pounds of ice daily, but the EUHOMY offers a slightly larger storage capacity of 1.3 pounds compared to the Igloo's 1.0 lb. This means the EUHOMY can hold more ice at once, reducing the frequency of needing to empty the basket during heavy use. For those who entertain often, this could be a significant advantage. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Igloo countertop ice makers have their strengths. The EUHOMY excels in speed and storage capacity, while the Igloo shines in its compact design. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.